Finally got out to clean up my screened in serene area. Looks like a little mini living room. Got my 24-hour micro band. Everything that can be wiped down with it, y'all, I wiped it. And it's another sofa. These are the same sofas, you guys, right there that I told y'all I was going to give to Goodwill. But decided to use them in my serene area outside. So, with that, I told y'all I was looking for some curtains and some new pillows. I decided to forego the pillows on this sofa. Don't want none. Y'all, I gave away so many pillows. At least I got them packed up. Haven't been able to give them away yet, but I do have them packed up to give to Goodwill. Decorative pillows. Man, it's so many. It's a whole big old 50-gallon trash bag, y'all. And it's filled with pillows. So when Goodwill do open up, I can actually give them to Goodwill. And y'all over there, it's a table there, a little glass table there, and a table over there. And if you turn around, y'all will see the vacuum cleaner where I actually was cleaning up. See my little bucket and vacuum, and I still gotta wipe down the TV, and I still gotta use my broom. In the South, y'all, we use a broom to knock down cobwebs. Y'all see them cobwebs, right? We use a broom to knock down them cobwebs, okay? So I gotta get them cobwebs down because this is a true screened in room. No windows, it's just screen. And this is how it looks. It is finally clean. I can come out here and sit. And you guys, I got the new turbo, what's the name of this vacuum cleaner? Where it's a brush on there that gets up all this allergy stuff. And y'all, before I brought my vacuum cleaner out here, man, it was so much dust and so many allergens out here, such as pollen, the main thing. And now my nose running. I should have brought this vacuum cleaner out here when I first came out here. I just thought I was going to come out here and just wipe down. No. Child, I got this brush. I brushed everything that could be brushed. I brushed everything that could be clean. I wiped everything. Woo. And now, the chemicals now got my nose running. So, with that, I'm going to say peace.